Hey guys, it's Nathan here. We are back again with another video, and we have a short and a great presentation for you today, and you guys going to enjoy it. If you guys are new here, if you are new to this channel, a little bit about me. My name is Nathan, and I've been in the transportation industry for about 17 years. Yeah, just like I said, I've been in the transportation industry for about 17 years, guys, and I have my own business. I was working 70 hours a week, and I was always on the go, and I never had a chance to be home to really enjoy my time, just like I'm doing today. I was always on the go, and my health was declining on me. And I remember when I first saw this program, and it was pretty much everything that I was looking for. And I see a way that I could get my time back and do everything that I love to do. Because I really love traveling. I really love spending time with my family. And when I first saw this program, I see a way out that I could do that and do this program and to buy my time back. So this is what I'm going to share with you guys today, a little bit about myself, and also share with you guys the presentation that I have for you today. I hope you guys are ready, and without further ado, we're going to jump into this presentation, and hopefully you guys can get something out of it the same way this was able to help me out. Hopefully it can help you guys out. You guys can see something, because I remember when I first saw this program, and then I see a way that I could change my life, because somebody that was working 70 hours a week and always on the go and on the road for 3 months, 4 months on the road, never take a day off. And when I come home was for me to pick up my mails and get right back, because I had a truck payment that was $1,300 a week. And if I shut down for one day, one day you're not rolling, that's money you owe. And when you do get a paycheck, all that money gonna come out of your paycheck. So you have to keep rolling in order for you to be able to pay for your business and be able to make a little bit of money to take care of your family and taking care of your bills. So without further ado, guys, we're going to jump into this presentation, and you guys going to enjoy it. Give me 1 second while I'm sharing my screen with you guys. And today we're going to talk about how to earn $900 a day online in just 2 hours. A blueprint for busy people. So if you are somebody busy, just like me, working 70 hours a week, and this is for you. And without further ado, let's keep going. Guys, this is what's going on in our community. And talking about making $900 a day. Pinch me, because I made $900 today at home with my babies. This is what possible. And another one, $900 day today. And another one, $4,000 in a little over 2 weeks. Now, guys, this is what possible. I cannot promise you guys going to make money, but if you are willing to do the work, everything is possible. So this is our community. Right now, we are a little bit over 45,000 people. And this is our community, guys. And we have a community that made for you whatever you need. It's just like our Google. If you need any help with whatever in everything that we do, you go into our community, and there's always people there to help you. And if there's no one there to help you, there's always video that's gonna guide you in whatever you need to do. And guys, just like I talked earlier, my wake-up call was no monthly expenses. And as far as my business, I had expenses, weekly expenses, and insurance, truck payment, and everything, APU. And I had weekly expenses that was coming out of my check every single week. So if I didn't work that week, then I owe money for the next week. So if I did work the next week and the money that I made was going to go towards truck payments and everything else, and I wouldn't get anything. And daily pay into my bank account, guys. There's nothing more than waking up to daily pay, and that goes into your bank account, and you make 100% of that. You don't share with nobody. Rejection free. I don't have to go talk to my friends and family. My automation is doing all the work for me. So I have a rejection free business. I don't have to hear the words no from anyone. Help more people and fully automated system. Follow a 2-hour workday. And we're gonna break that down for you today, guys. The 2-hour workday, what is that consist of? And what you need to launch a successful online business. You need to promote a product or a service that is in high demand. Promote a product and a service that is in high demand. A proven system to follow. How to get customers without you having to find customers. Start your 2-hour workday. And guys, this is the 2-hour workday I was talking about. What is the 2-hour workday consist of? The 2-hour workday consists of 30 minutes copying and pasting free ads to high traffic website for free for 30 minutes, and 3 pieces of content daily with a CTA for 1 hour, and responding to to action. Your CTAs, when you make a video with a CTA, now people responding to your video, now you're gonna go and responding to your call of action, and if people want more information, you provide it for them. Daily videos 10 minutes, in answering emails 10 minutes. So that's pretty much the work that you do for your business every day. 2-hour workday, 30 minutes copying and pasting free ads to high traffic website for free, and 3 pieces of content with a CTA 1 hour, respond to call to action 10 minutes, daily videos 10 minutes, answering your emails 10 minutes. Why promote digital programs? One, because they are proven programs that makes you 100% profit. And you don't have to share that money with anyone. You don't have no upline or downline or middle line. All that money goes into your bank account because you're your own boss and you're working. And when you make that money, it goes straight to your bank account, 100% profit. Now you can promote like an affiliate program, which you're going to make 25%. And that is something, but I'd rather make 100% instead of 25%. So daily pay directly into your bank account, and the entire world is your potential customer base. Sell something that help others. So that is why we promote digital programs. Proven program that makes 100% profit, daily pay directly into your bank account. The entire world is your potential customer base, and sell something that helps others. And guys, the e-learning industry did 950 million in 2019, and they average 1 billion a day in 2023, and also they average 1.2 billion a day in 2024, and right now they project to hit 3 billion a day by 2027. And I know I want a little piece of that cake. I know you guys do too, because all that money that's out there, we need to get some of it. And guys, the whole world is going digital. So if the e-learning, the digital world is making all that money, why not us getting a little bit of it? So guys, this is what we promote to generate our income. And we promote 4 different income streams. And whatever makes sense for you, you can start with it today. And whenever you're ready to, whatever makes sense to you. And we have the launch pad that is $100. And if $100 makes sense to you, you want to make $100 a day, then you promote the launch pad. And we have the passive daily pay blueprint. which is $300. You invest $300, and when you promote that product, you make $300. And $300 daily, that's $109,000 a year. And if that makes sense to you, you can also promote that. And we have the $600, which is the digital mastery. And that, guys, when you promote that and you make $600 daily, that is $219,000 a year. And if that makes sense to you, you want to promote that, then you promote it. And we have the Legacy Builder program. That's what I promote, because I have all 4 different income streams. So when I promote that, when I make a sale, I make $900 a day, and that's $300,000 a year when you promote the Legacy Builder program. So guys, I'm going to explain to make 100K in the next 12 months. What you need to do when you promote our Legacy Builder program, and also the other program that we promote, and 10 customers a month at $900, that is $9,000. $9,000 in a year, that is $108,000 a year. And 14 customers for the 600, that is $8,000 in a year, that is $100,000. And 28 customers a month at 300, that is $8,000 in a year, that is $100,000. So let's say you promote a $9 product, and you need 926 customers a month, and to generate $834,000 a month, and also to generate $100,000 a year. So I would rather want to promote a high ticket product, $900, that would get me there quicker, because 10 customers a month, which is $9,000 a month, which is $108,000 a year. And also you have the $600 product that we promote. All you need is 14 customers to make $100,000 a year, and that is $804,000 a month. And if you want the 300 product, if you promote the $300 product, that is 28 customers that you need a month to generate $100,000 a year. So the best way to go is to promote a high ticket product. So the ultimate discovery system, how do we get discovered to make our money? How do we get our customers? Do we go door to door, or what do we do? How do we get our customers? How do we get our business discovered and we put our business up there? One, you can build a faceless brand. A faceless brand meaning you don't have to make videos, just like I'm talking on a video today. You don't have to make videos, or you can just make picture posts and promoting your business like that, and then to get customers to your system, and that's going into your email list, and from your email list, your customer, and they're gonna convert into customers, and that's how you make money. And we have the copy and pasting free ads, and we copy and paste free ads to get our business discovered. Or you can use social media, and I'm using YouTube to post this video. Or you can use any social media. You can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, or you can use TikTok to promote your business and get your business discovered. And that's how we get our customers. And guys, there is 5 billion people just in social media alone. And all you need is 20 of them to discover your business, and one to buy out of 2. When you get 20 people to discover you, and only one needs to buy for you to make $900 a day. And imagine if all 20 people buy from you, how lovely that day will be. So You will never have to bother your family and friends to buy from you, because social media is your pretty much your playground. That's where you promote your business and get your business discovered. And then people are gonna go into your email list, and then they're gonna convert into a customer and to make your money. So you don't have to go and bother your family and friends to go and buy from you. And earlier I was talking about we post free ads. We use classified ads to promote our business. We post ads. We don't have thing is you don't have no overhead. You don't have to pay for ads or anything to promote your business. My mentor, she is a multi-million dollar income earner in this business. She's over $2 million. She's over $2 million in less than 2 years. So she use classified ads. She go live every day, and she posts videos on TikTok every day and also on YouTube. That's how she promote her business. She never pay for ads or anything to promote her business. She promote her business to $2 million for free. So you can do it too if you choose to. And guys, this is our discovery system, and that's what we call our automate system, where you can be at work anywhere in the world on vacation, and this is out there working for you 24/7. So when 20 people goes here and put their email address, and 1 out of 20 always buy. 1 out of 20 people always buy. You have 20 people going to your automation, and 1 out of the 20 going to buy. And what do they get? They get a thank you video when they get into your automation. And also after that, next they get another video that explain the business to them. And then after that, they go to the sell page where they can purchase whichever one of the system, the 100, 300, 600, or 900, whichever makes sense to them, or whatever money they have. And guys, guess what? You don't have to have the whole entire money right now. You can make payment arrangement, and we have all that on the website. If you don't have the money right now to purchase, we have payment plan, and you can pay a little bit here, a little bit there, until you finish paying for it, and you can start making money right away. So we have that available for you guys, and I'm gonna leave a link under this video. If you guys need more information, or if you want me to make anything clearer for you, you can always click the link under this video and send me an email or leave me a comment under this video. I would absolutely love to help you guys. And so that's pretty much all I have for you today, guys. That's pretty much all I have for you today. So make sure you click the link under this video, and I would be more than happy to answer any question that you have, and we'll go from there. So guys, until next time, I'll see you on the next video.